Aardwolf proudly introduces its latest innovation, a new series of high-performance vacuum pads designed for lifting semi-porous loads, such as concrete and rough stone, prevalent in the construction industry. What distinguishes Aardwolf vacuum pads from those currently available on the market is their unique double-seal design, featuring a lightweight thin profile with a specially formulated high-friction rubber pad on the underside. This design effectively prevents load slippage once vacuum pressure is applied, ensuring secure lifting operations even on rough surfaces. The double-seal design guarantees a superior seal, offering unparalleled reliability and safety in material handling. Aardwolf offers two variants of vacuum pads, thin foam seal and thick foam seal. Thin foam seal, ideal for general-purpose applications. Thin foam seals are suitable for lifting glass, porcelain, and other materials with smooth to moderately rough surfaces. Thick foam seal, designed for lifting. Building materials with a sheet thickness exceeding 6 mm 140. Thick foam seal vacuum pads are well suited for rough surfaces commonly encountered in the landscaping industry. Replacement seals. Replacing vacuum seals is a straightforward process that can be done manually. The replacement seals are inserted into the rim, with no additional tools required for smaller pads. However, for larger pads, additional support in the form of double-sided masking tape is recommended. 4 small tabs of double-sided masking tape, placed at the center of each side, provide ample support. Please note, excessive use of double-sided tape can impede future seal replacement efforts, making the process more time-consuming and challenging. By choosing Aardwolf foam seal vacuum pads, you're investing in unmatched performance, reliability, and ease of maintenance for your lifting operations.